Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the problem of sagging breasts, its symptoms, causes, and a natural remedy to get rid of it. Perfectly shaped and perky breasts are the dream of every woman, regardless of age, size, and culture of the universe. And it should be. After all, it's their most feminine asset. Saggy breasts are a part of change in breast appearance that most women experience, especially as they get older. This tend to be a completely natural cosmetic change, but still, some women may not want saggy breasts. The medical term for saggy breasts is breast ptosis. There is a lot of information about what does and what does not contribute to saggy breasts. Some is true, while some is misconception. Although sagging breasts are the completely natural way for the body to respond to weight loss, many women feel insecure because of it. It's true that the breast tissues cannot completely return to its initial condition, but the right combination of exercise, healthy eating, and some additional natural home remedies can definitely improve the situation. Sagginess of breasts can be due to many reasons. Usually, ligaments in the breast stretched out over time. This is typically due to gravity. Although some other causes may also involved, such as aging. The loss of skin elasticity due to aging is the most common cause of saggy breasts. Collagen deficiency, estrogen deficiency, menopause, high body mass index, larger breast size, it leads to higher chances of sagging solely because higher breast mass is more vulnerable to gravity. Multiple pregnancies, this is another cause, though breastfeeding is not. Hormonal changes can shrink and expand milk ducts with each pregnancy, which can lead to sagging tissues. Rapid changes in weight pre and post pregnancy can also add to this. Smoking, which accelerates aging, thus contributes to sagging breasts, sometimes even earlier in life. Rapid weight loss followed by rapid weight gain, and vice versa. There are some other causes of sagging breasts also, which includes not wearing a bra or wearing a bad or wrong type of bra, and breastfeeding. However, choosing to breastfeeding the child has no effect on breast firmness. Breastfeeding is thought to stretch the breast tissues and leads to sagging. However, studies find this to be wrong. By her mid 30s, a woman's breast starts to lose fatty tissues, resulting in the reduction of size and fullness. One of the first symptoms of sagging breasts is a noticeable shift of areola towards the lower portion of the breast. The ligament and connective tissues in a woman's breast give shape to her breasts and require estrogen to remain elastic. As woman ages, the amount of estrogen her body produces is decreased, and this have a negative impact on the elasticity of her skin and results in sagging of breasts. To make your breasts firmer and say goodbye to sagging, you can follow several methods for it, like exercising, yoga, breast toning surgery, and natural home remedy to make your breast toned and firm. Although exercise is the best way to keep yourself fit and healthy. It's not only increase your stamina but also give you a hot body to flaunt. So hit the gym and try some simple exercises to make your breast toned and tight, like dumbbell press, push-ups, inclined dumbbell bench press, and dumbbell fly. You can also ask your gym trainer about the exercises which concentrate more on your breasts and improve its appearance. If you don't have time for gym and you are rich also, then you can go for a surgery. It will give you immediate results without putting much efforts. Just spend some money and you will get your desired body shape. And if you are neither rich nor you have time to hit the gym, then you can follow a natural home remedy to make your breasts toned and attractive. You need 3 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is 20 ml of cucumber juice. The second ingredient is 1 egg's yolk. And third ingredient is 1 teaspoon of shea butter. The images of the ingredients is right on your screen and you can also check the description for other names of the ingredients. To prepare the remedy, break an egg and extract the yolk from it, the yellow one part. Then add cucumber juice and shea butter in it. Then mix it properly and it would become a fine paste. Then apply this paste on your breasts and gently massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then leave it for 30 to 35 minutes. Then rinse it off with cold water. Use this remedy once in a week and you will start noticing the difference from first use. If you still have some questions or doubts in your mind regarding this remedy and other remedies which I have uploaded on my channel, then you can ask me on Instagram. I am happy to help. Alright guys, hope you like the remedy. Please share it with your friends also. And don't forget to share the experience of following this remedy in the comments. I am always happy to welcome your suggestions and opinions, so do mention them also in the comments. For more natural and Ayurvedic remedies, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further videos.